Hello, welcome to the TRooThemes. In today's video tutorial, you will learn how to install and activate the Divi Political Child theme along with installing Divi Theme Builder and Divi Theme options. Let's get started. Navigate to Appearance and then Themes. At the Themes page, click on Add New Theme, Upload Theme, and then Browse. Here, you have to upload a zip file of your purchased theme. Then, tap on Install Now and it will start installing. Now, activate the theme and begin installing required plugin. Wait for a moment until it activates. Click on Return to Dashboard for the next step. Now, it's time to install your pre-built demo. Navigate to Appearance, then Import Demo Data. Click on the Import Demo Data button. Click on the Import Demo Data and continue and import to install all your content, images that you have seen in the demo model of the site. Wait for a moment and it will be installed. Navigate to top left area and click on Divi Political and visit the site. Here you can check whether it is running perfectly or not. Now, add Divi Theme Builder so that you can make modifications on your site. Go to Divi section and click on Theme Builder. Here tap on arrow icon, import and choose your file. First, unzip your purchased theme. Click Imports and select the Divi Theme Builder JSON file to open. Import it and it will be installed within a minute. Done. Click on Save Changes. Navigate to Theme Options and click the arrow icon on the top right. Now, click on Import and choose the Divi Theme option file to import it. Import the file and wait until it's done. In the Divi Theme options, you can customize your site according to your requirements. Great! Your complete theme is ready now. Make changes according to your preferences. We hope this tutorial has helped you understand how to download and install the Divi Child theme. Keep adding new content, interacting with your audience, and impress everyone with your new website. Grow your business and grab attention of your customer with new appealing website.